Well, if you saw by the title, it finally happened. We hit 1,000 on YouTube. Now listen, it's tiny in comparison to other people, but you have no idea. When this year started, I was at 68, and we have finally hit 1,000. You have no idea how much it means to me to finally hit 1,000. Now this video is about YouTube, but I'll talk about all my landmarks. We're almost at 60,000 on Instagram. Snapchat, I'm almost at 5,000. Facebook, I'm almost to 13,000. TikTok, I'm almost at 5,000. Numbers don't mean anything to me, and if there was still getting the 2 views and the 50 subscribers I had at the beginning of the year, it was still that way, I would still be posting. Numbers don't mean anything, but I have to come on here and say thank you. I did it for 500, I had to do it for 1,000. Everybody, I've said it before, so I'm not gonna repeat myself, everybody that has helped, contributed, done anything, thank you so much. Even filming this, it is 20 degrees outside right now. It's 8 o'clock at night in a parking garage, and I'm filming this, but it's like the best lighting for this late at night. Today, behind the camera, is actually Stone's birthday, so shout out Stone. He rode the Grom here to even film this setup. I needed help. So thank you so much to everybody that has liked, subscribed, commented, shared with a friend, and anything of that. It means the world. Everybody that's helped me film these videos, I literally could not do it without them, and I literally still could not do it without you guys. So the road to 1,500 starts now. Sorry I was a little late on the thank you for 1,000 video, but I just had to come out while I had the chance. Shout out to Stone for helping me film this on his birthday. Couldn't have done it without him. Couldn't have done it without you guys. So I know it was short and sweet, but I had to get it done, and I just have to say thank you one last time, and you already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you at 1,500. Later! Bonus clip. Everybody say happy birthday, Stone. Happy birthday, Stone. Right, Michaela? Happy birthday, Stone.